Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me the new Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, and today I will show you how to get a longer battery life. So guys, first of all, what you have to do, you have to go into the settings option and then you select the display option, and then in the display option you see motion smoothness. Once you enter into it, there are two options showing 60 Hz and 120 Hz or high or standard. So standard is 60 Hz screen refresh rate and high is 120 Hz screen refresh rate. So guys, if you select the standard and you apply it, you have to compromise a little for your screen refresh rate. You can see here the motion smoothness is okay, it's not really bad, but you will get a longer battery life by doing it guys. So if you want to compromise a little on your screen refresh rate or motion smoothness, you can use this option to get a longer battery life guys. Everything is working smooth and it's really good. There is not too much changes you can feel, and the screen refresh rate is okay, so you guys will get the longer battery life. So if you want back 120 Hz, you have to go back display motion smoothness and then you can set it to high. Once you set into high, it will go into the 120 Hz mode, and the screen refresh rate obviously will improve, but it will utilize a lot of battery life. So you can use both options, whichever option you like, and if you want a longer battery life, you can change into 60 Hz, and you can just simply do it by go into the motion smoothness option by going into the display, and then you guys can easily change into high or standard mode, whatever you like, and by this you can save your battery life if you change into the standard motion smoothness option. And you can see on the top it is also giving you a demonstration guys. So guys, please do like my video and please do subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you very much.